Right, this is the best bit of all ride outs on classic bikes. You approach the bike, you've got mechanical things like the choke, which you have to push this way on this particular model. There's 2 fuel taps because it's got 3 carburettors, one down one side and one the other side. As you can see, being a regular rider, I know exactly where it is. Then you do the famous tickling of the carburettors, of which there are 3. You do the outer one here until the fuel floods through. Do the other side till the fuel floods through, which hopefully it will. And you do the middle one, which is right to get on, unless you've got 3 foot long fingers. And there, hopefully, we have it. Nice fire hazard. Put the footrest up, kickstart out, on board, turn on the ignition, pull the clutch in, get it in your right position, and hopefully, with a bit of luck, it might go. On the other hand, it might not.